What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. What if I were to tell you that there is a social network out there that you may have heard of, but you probably aren't using, which people are absolutely killing it using this social network? Sound intriguing? Stay with me. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up on my review of Profit Rocket. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And why would that be? Well, it's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull on successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead and know that my jokes can be as bad as well. Some of those sugar-free cookies that I've been trying lately, you know, you think you could find a decent sugar-free cookie. Sugar makes me nauseous when I eat it. And you think I could find something decent, but some of them are really awful. And I know it might just be as awful as some of that, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously, give it a break. Seriously, it's enough. He does it all the time. He's so annoying. Anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work is that if I like your product, I will give a tip my hat to the product. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. See, Liz is a sweetheart. She's a fellow New Yorker. I can't get angry at her, even though she says the same thing every day else. I think I would get angry at her. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now, this is the sales page for Profit Rocket from my friend Johnny Rose. Now, Johnny's an interesting guy. You see here, he's been in this industry not a terribly long time, maybe about 6 months a year. He's already making a lot of money doing this. And Johnny has been really killing it with this method. He's been using a network called Pinterest. Now, what Pinterest is basically like a visual platform, and a lot of people get nervous about that, like, oh, Eric, I don't know anything about visual stuff. So first of all, let me tell you about my Mop-On bonuses before I tell you anything else, because what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you Graphics Academy Volume 1 and 4. I have both of them. I'm going to give you both of them so you learn how to create content using free services. You don't have to spend any money for these things. So you'll be able to create content very easily for Pinterest. It's basically point and click stuff. It's super simple to do. You're going to get the courses that are going to teach you how to do that completely for free from me. That's going to be part of my bonus. In addition to that, I have another course on Pinterest I'm going to give to you, which is an earlier course that I purchased. So between all those things, you're really going to be set for working with Pinterest. But I want to show this to you also. This is Robinhood over here. Okay, check this out. Pinterest, I bought Pinterest, you can see here, at $18.71. I wish and pray that I had not been stupid and only bought 5 shares. You know, I saw somebody talk about it, and I bought it at, like, it was $18. What is it? Way back here somewhere. I guess it must be somewhere in May. I bought it. Check out what it's going for now, $67. I only bought 5 shares. I wish I'd bought more. But even my 5 shares has brought me like nearly $250 in profits. Or my cat has discovered a box. Anyway, so, you know, Pinterest is blowing up in popularity. It is really one of the most popular websites there is right now. Everybody seems to be using this thing. Everybody seems to love this, this website. I'm starting to get more interested in Pinterest myself and start driving more traffic from Pinterest, because Pinterest is not just a good way to drive traffic. It's a good way to drive high value traffic. The sales that I get off of Pinterest tend to be much more valuable than the sales I get off of, say, Facebook or YouTube. So it's definitely something I'm putting more interest in. I think you are going to want to put more interest into it as well. This is the main training here. You can see that he's got a very, very comprehensive training material on Pinterest showing you exactly everything you need to know in order to really start making serious money using Pinterest. And again, you're going to get my course on Pinterest plus my courses on creating graphic content so that you can create stuff that's going to pop on Pinterest and really start getting yourself out there very, very quickly and start making money off of Pinterest using this method. So let's see if we're going to give it to match the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, that was pretty obvious. Of course I am. It's an awesome course. I love this thing and I love Pinterest. And for the price, oh, by the way, let me show you something real quick. So I'm going to share my screen again for you real quick. I want to show this to you. You can save 10%. How do you do that? So let me refresh this page here real quick. And all you're going to do is basically attempt to leave. So go ahead and attempt to leave. Maybe it's not loading for me right now, but basically what it should do is it should make sure that don't have pop-ups blocked. And it should show you here it comes, something telling you, here you go, they get 10% off for Cyber Week, whatever. Just use coupon Rocket10 at checkout, okay, and you'll be able to automatically save 10% off of the price. I believe it's going for like $12.95, so it's pretty inexpensive to begin with. You save yourself a bit more money, so why not save a bit more money? Use that code Rocket10 and get yourself a bit more money off. Actually, $9.95, so it's even cheaper. It's going to be like $8.95 for you, so it's really a bargain price. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is worth it. You're going to love it.